Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, power moonroof, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front reading lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.